Travel day.
But we did go through our checklist.
3, 2, 1, action.
All right, well, we're buttoned up, but we can't get the Can-Am in because we're too close to the trees back there. So we got to pull it out and load the Can-Am at the clubhouse parking lot, and we're gonna hit the road.
Luckily they have a big enough parking lot.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah.
Travel day.
But we did go through our checklist.
We did.
We're not in a hurry.
Twice.
Twice we went through our checklist.
Everything's better. Life is always better. Ayo, ayo. When we are together. Ayo, ayo. We're walking on cold grace. These are the best days. 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 The best days. Life is always better. Ayo, ayo. When we are together. Ayo, ayo. We're walking on gold rays. These are the best days. Ayo, ayo. These are the best days. These are the best days.
Well, it's time to leave Texas.
3 miles to the Oklahoma border. And it's been another windy drive day.
Oh my goodness, today is just, it's crazy.
It is crazy. Wind's coming out of the north, so it's a headwind. I don't want to check my fuel economy on this one.
Yeah, that could get pricey.
But prices have come down. Did you enjoy your time in Texas?
I did. It wasn't long enough though.
It wasn't?
No.
Oh.
Well, our youngest grandboy was sick with the flu. So we missed about, what, 2 days?
Yeah, but that was 2 days.
No, but it's 2 days anyway. But no, I really enjoyed it.
It was fun.
I got to go to the zoo. I got to go on a field trip with our grandson Colton.
You did.
I did. We went to the Fort Worth Zoo, and that was a great time. I haven't been to a zoo in years. And can we talk about the flowers here?
Oh yeah, the bluebonnets. That's the Texas state flower, by the way.
It is, and we got here like 2 days after they started blooming, so we got to see the whole countryside full of it. It was beautiful.
They are. They're gorgeous. And then we got a chance to go to one of our favorite churches.
Yes.
A couple of Sundays.
We did with our daughter. It's her church, and it's our Texas church.
That's pretty cool.
It is.
So we're heading to Rolling Retreats, and I mean, we enjoyed our time at Bridgeport. The park is nice. There's lots of elbow room, and it's just a very nice park. And so we spent a couple of weeks there, and now we're moving on to get the RV repaired.
Yay!
And we're still not sure what we're going to do about accommodations. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. We'll have to do a little bit of research. But we got a text this morning from Alicia, and she said they're going to have a barbecue today.
So I don't have to cook. That'll be nice.
She was wondering what time we were going to get in, and so they're going to have a barbecue in honor, I think, of their Flex Armor.
Yay!
And if you don't know about Flex Armor, Slade and Alicia franchised into a Flex Armor program, and we're hoping to get a little bit of information from the owners of Flex Armor and Slade and Alicia on just what it's all about. We've heard really good stories. I've not heard a bad story about Flex Armor at all. So
not at all.
it'll be interesting. Oh my gosh, we're going across the bridge into Oklahoma. It's like speed bumps.
Yes. Yes. Excuse the bumpiness.
So we're in Oklahoma.
Oh my gosh.
Welcome to Oklahoma.
Yay!
As we work our way north to cooler weather. And boy, springtime's just been absolutely gorgeous, hasn't it?
Oh, it has. It's just, everything's green, and the flowers are blooming. It's just builds you up and just pumps you up for summer.
So spring's here, but it's still windy.
It is. It's been windy this whole winter.
It has.
Everywhere we go, it's a lot of wind.
And all of you have been giving us messages saying that it's windy. It's been windy all winter where you're at as well. So I don't know what's going on. So anyway, we got a lot accomplished while we were there in Texas. We got a chance to move our kids out of their storage units.
That was huge.
It was.
We helped them move all their stuff into it.
Yeah.
So it was like full circle. We got to take it out, and
now it's clean. They're done. They
No
don't
more
have a monthly payment. No more monthly payment. We got it all in their shop.
yeah.
And now they can go through it little by little and decide what they want to get rid of and purge and whatever else they're going to do. So, and the grandsons, it was a lot of fun with them.
Yeah, we had a good time.
All right, so down the road we go. We're going to come up into Altus, Oklahoma here shortly, and then on into Elk City.
What a beautiful day for a drive.
It is.
Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the park. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame since I met I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Like them.
We made it.
We did. We're here in Elk City, Oklahoma.
Yay.
Here at the new facility of Rolling Retreats RV.
Rolling Retreats' new facility.
It
It's
is.
pretty nice.
It is super nice. I love it.
Yeah, we're going to show you guys around here in the next couple of videos. It's an amazing, amazing facility.
Wow, so many bays.
Yeah, it's huge.
Yeah.
It is absolutely huge, and they embarked on a new venture through Flex Armor Roof, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about that in the future. So things are exciting. Things are happening in Elk City, Oklahoma.
It is. They are very blessed.
So what'd you think of the trip up?
It was great. We had a great day.
It was windy,
It was really windy.
but thank goodness we had the Texas weather vanes.
Aren't they the neatest?
They're pretty cool.
They're so big.
They're huge.
Yeah, they are.
We saw wind generator after wind generator after wind generator all the way up, and they were all spinning fast.
I wonder why.
Yeah,
It was
and the
really
wind's still blowing in Oklahoma.
windy. It is. I don't think it ever stops. If it does, it's just a light breeze.
So we came into town, we unloaded the car, we drove over here and met, they had their barbecue and they invited us along, and we met a lot of old friends, a lot of new friends.
That's right.
Had a good time.
And we didn't have to cook.
And Kelly didn't have to cook,
So
that's
thank
right.
you guys that I didn't have to bring anything because we got in late.
You know, we've said before, we're going to say it again, and we're not going to dwell on this, guys, but when you get involved with Rolling Retreats RV, you're family. I mean, they treat you like family.
Absolutely.
And it was just a lot of fun. The customers that were here, they invited all them, they invited us. It was, all the folks that work here were present, and it was great. So we had a really, really, really good time.
Yeah.
All right, so we got a little information. Our rig was scheduled in on Monday. Mm-hmm. They called us Friday morning and said, "Can you bring it over today?"
Huh?
We didn't even know where we were going to live.
Now understand, we have to move everything out of our refrigerator and our freezer and take enough stuff for 2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah.
And it was crazy. But we did it.
We did.
We did in record
We did.
time.
We're in, we're settled, and we don't have time to tell you the whole story, but we're gonna catch you up on that story here in a week or two. So stick around, follow along. We're gonna hopefully get over to the body shop and get some pictures of the progress. We're gonna show you some things that Alicia and Slade are doing with the business as far as staying outside your coach if necessary. And by the way, that's something again we want to talk about is our dealer. That's why your dealer is so important if you're a full-time RVer. These folks have got it set up so that you can stay on site, and when you have service scheduled, you bring your rig in. It's early in the morning, it's 7 a.m. and you bring your rig in, and then they have places that you can wait or you can go visit the town. There's some attractions around, and we'll talk to you about that. But For full timers, when they're done for the day, they pull your rig out and let you move back into it for the night and sleep in it, make dinner and sleep in it for that night, and then they bring it back again the next day. And we haven't found that at too many dealers across the country, by the way. Once you take your rig in, they usually have it in their yard and they hold it until the parts come in
and months.
Yeah, so anyway.
They just understand the full-time RVers.
They do.
Yeah.
They do, and they really make it.
They cater to us.
They make it pleasant for us. It's a pleasant experience. So we're going to get our bodywork done. We've got a couple of things that the service department's got to do under warranty before we get back out on the road, and we're going to get that done while we're here. And we're just going to enjoy the company of our family.
I know, they're family.
They are.
Yeah.
They are. They greet us with a smile every time we come in.
And hugs.
And hugs.
And loves.
All right, so anyway, the trip was great. The rig's in the body shop. We're going to explain a little bit more in the next week or two, so we appreciate you guys coming along. All you new subscribers, if you haven't seen our previous videos about our toy hauler build and our experience here at Rolling Retreats, you know, we've got a playlist of our build on our custom fifth wheel from start to finish.
Absolutely.
So go take a look at some of those videos and tell us what you think. All right, we're going to wrap this one up from Elk City, Oklahoma.
It all starts with an idea.
We'll talk to you next week, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.